Hello YouTube! Here we are going to do an unboxing video on the Smove Mobile Extendable Smartphone Stabilizer. What this will be helpful for is to make my 130 subscribers just so impressed with my YouTube production of content. So we have a plastic casing that we will remove. And when you take this plastic off, you need to be really careful with it. So, okay. So what we have here is a box and a tab, and we'll take that open, and what we have is more things. All right, try to be careful with the box. So, we've got the user manual, and it's in English. That's helpful. That's pretty much the only European language I really understand. What we have is it's like a little tripod, I think. Next, we have a cord. It's like a USB. Next, we have a bunch of little cords. I'm not sure what the hell these are at all. And this looks like a little strap to maybe to carry it. I don't know. I'm sure it'll all be covered in the instructions. And then it looks like we've got like a fly swatter. It's like a foam protective cover. Hi, Flash. Can you say hi, Flash?
Hi, Flashy.
And inside here we have a Smove contraption. And as you can see, my videos will be nice and stable with this on. We've got a T and W with a green thing. Looks like on off, and this must be record. USB port on the side. And then there's a button back here that I don't know what the hell it does. So anyway, expect to see some glorious, steady content. Actually, there was one more thing. I don't know if I should have been dropping that like that, but there's one more thing right down in here. There was a little frog, and so forth.